What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 1 hourly. I'm going to try and make this video very fast. I did get stopped out with a small profit. I'm going to explain why in this episode, but I think that right now we do have a shorting opportunity here on Bitcoin with a tight stop loss. I'm going to explain during this episode. We're having a quick look at the S&P 500. We did come all the way down to these levels that we mentioned yesterday. Are we going to come to much lower levels here and potentially get a bounce? I'm going to show you the support levels where we could potentially reverse and continue to the upside, and I'll explain why, guys, in this episode. Make sure to stay tuned. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe daily to hear on Bitcoin crypto, also to live stream to connect with the community. Not financial advisor, don't buy or sell anything I say, guys. Let's dive in here straight into the price of Bitcoin. Now I'm going to explain why we did get this big reversal, why I got stopped out here. I lowered my stop loss, okay, from break even to small take profit right there. Okay, small profit right here on my stop loss, because I thought that we were going to consolidate around this range like we did and then have another leg down. This did not happen. We actually had a pretty big leg up, as you can see, but now we are facing major resistance, and I think that this could be also a good shorting opportunity, and I'm going to explain right away, guys. Now, first of all, we did form here a slightly kind of double bottom. You could actually see this better on the 30-minute chart. If I zoom in right away, you can see right here that this is already a kind of a bullish sign. I thought that we were going to consolidate here and then, form kind of a flag and then continue to the downside. This was not the case. We formed like a double bottom right there, and then we skyrocketed all the way to these levels. Now I'm going to show you why this could potentially be a shorting opportunity. One of the reasons why is volume, guys. If I zoom in, this is on the 30-minute chart, okay? We do have these drops over here, as you can see, with pretty high volume, and now we are retracing with very low volume, guys. This is telling me that it is more likely that this will roll back down. Now, when I'm seeing the price action to the upside, and I don't want to be super bearish, but if I start seeing big spikes of green volume tackling these levels, then I'm going to become, slightly bullish. All right, any retracement I might be looking for bullish momentum, but if the volume is still, the pressure still to the downside much higher than to the upside, guys, I'm going to lean slightly bearish. As you know, we are in a downtrend. We need to break very strong levels to me to start becoming bullish and with very high volume. Now that is reason number one where I think this is a potentially shorting opportunity, in my personal opinion, because also we do have these higher lows right there. We are currently retesting this support from these higher lows from the breakdown. We are retesting it as resistance. Most likely it will get rejected, in my personal opinion. That is reason number two. And reason number three, from this major drop, okay, from the start of the drop, Fibonacci levels from the start of this peak right there to the bottom bit, we are hitting that golden pocket area, that 618, that favorite 618 right over there is just being hit. So that is reason number three, guys. We've got a lot of confluence that is telling me that we should be rolling back down. Now, where are the levels that we could go down? Well, there's definitely this major range, okay, where we could get a bounce, all right, which is round about that 37,000, okay, let's keep it in a round number, $37,000 right there. And the reason why is because we did get supported very nicely over here, double bottom, and we also got supported and resistance right there. So this is telling me that yes, if we do come back down here, it doesn't mean that we need to retest the lows. Now definitely we could retest the lows, but if you are scalp trading, day trading, this could potentially be a good day trade, and that would be a good take profit area, okay? Now stop loss would be a good stop loss would be behind this candle over here, so around about that 38.9, 39K levels, around this area, okay, because you do have this big pressure with volume right there that it's going to be very difficult for the bulls to get above. Now obviously it can, but this is why you do have a tight stop loss right there if you're entering here and you're looking for this profit. So this is about a 2-to-1 trade approximately. So that would be my quick, analysis here. I'm going to upload this video as fast as I can because, yeah, this is looking at the 30-minute and the 1 hourly. Everything can change in minutes. So this is what I got, guys. To become bullish, you know the deal. I think we should have, a big breakout. We should have a big breakout at least at this range, okay, which is that $39,000 level, okay, with big volume, all right. And this range where we have consolidated as resistance, as you can see, many times, then if we do have an explosive breakout on that retracement consolidation, this range is going to be a very good buy zone. I'm not going to be bullish until we see some kind of reaction with big volume, guys. So that is going to be my quick analysis on BTC. Let's jump here quickly to the S&P 500, because the S&P 500, we did have a wick down straight after I made my video. I was waiting for that correction down to that, 4,450 points. We just hit 4,460 points approximately. Now we are currently coming down. I think that this range might be held very nicely as support, and as I mentioned yesterday, the reason why is because we do have that small consolidation, small resistance right there. We've also got resistance points of touch right here also. So the 4,450 points on the S&P 500, depending on what type of candles, what type of consolidation we do have there, if we do have many attempts with wicks and volume like here, like we had there, it might be a great buying opportunity, because so far so good. There's no selling pressure. The volume is not too high on this correction, and we do have this big volume to back up that this might continue to the upside. That is my take here on the S&P 500. Another reason why we should be getting strongly supported is because we do have a big point of control right there, just at the 4,440 approximately right there. We're going to have a nice spike. So that is definitely, in my opinion, going to be a consolidation area. Maybe looking for some long-in opportunities, or depending on how we consolidate, this could slice down there, guys. I wouldn't put a limit order, only on how the price action reacts at that range, and then potentially look for a long position right there, at least aiming for the top of this pump that we've had the last few days. So that is my take here on the S&P 500. We do have very strong support at this range, guys, like I mentioned. Maybe is going to be a good area. Now, if we come down here with high volume, and just like a falling cascade, of course, I won't enter that trade, only if we do consolidate at that range. Guys, this is going to be it for this quick episode, because I did a 30-minute analysis on Bitcoin. Remember, if you are interested in trading, you got Bybit and PrimeXBT. You get the best deals down below. Check out Bitcoinsensus website, the latest technical analysis and news posting every single day. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.